Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Books and Talks. In this video, we will learn prepositions. So first, we will write the definition of prepositions. A preposition shows the relation of a noun to other words in a sentence. A preposition shows the relation of a noun to other words in a sentence. For example, on, in, at, under, behind, between, in front of, beside, above, through, into, from, for, before, after, during, towards, across, etc. Let's write the sentences. First one, the tree is in front of the house. The tree is in front of the house. Next is, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Third one is, the man is sleeping under the tree. The man is sleeping under the tree. Now, let's write the types of a preposition. Number one is prepositions of place. Here are some examples of preposition of place. On, in, at, under, between, behind, and in front of. These are some examples of prepositions of place. The toy is in the box. This is the preposition of place. They stopped at the cafeteria. The cup is on the table. Second one, prepositions of movement. Here are some examples of prepositions of movement like through, towards, into, across, etc. These are the example of prepositions of movement. Now come to the sentence. Ronak ran through the forest. The ghost walked towards him. Number 3. Prepositions of time. Now look some example of prepositions of time like at, on, from, for, during, in, after, before, etc. These are the example of prepositions of time. Now come to the sentence. We started our journey at 5 a.m. We started our journey at 5 a.m. Next, Ruchi will visit her aunt in September. Ruchi will visit her aunt in September. That's all about prepositions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Books and Talks.